I know a lot of things I pure due to interest. I think everything is interesting. I can't believe that there are things that are stupid to do or something like that. Everybody has his own way to doing things and make the best of it, I believe.
As my father started the company, always went on holiday a little bit different because Frans always wanted to go and see stores and packaging and designs and stuff.
When a customer asks me to work for them, the first thing what we do is we go with a couple of people to those customers and we want to see everything. When we are asking questions, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that this way? Or why not this way? And then I come back as little children do, just asking. And asking gives you the knowledge that there are more possibilities.
People are designing on a computer and they're moving around figures and stuff like that, and it's a totally different way of creating without a computer. That's why Frans also told you, I think, we do the sketching and really working by hand, but with understanding the materials, you can have in your mind, like, okay, I can emboss this, or I can use a certain material for this pack, and you can put it on a computer screen with that it looks like that, but you don't have the experience because a consumer will not buy it only for its looks.
In 1996, printer of our company that printed boxes for the chocolate industry asked us what our opinion was of that company. During the time to promote that company, we get a lot of technical knowledge about printing processes. And while this was for the tobacco industry, and tobacco industry was changing a lot of their packaging, we get a lot of new things and new items to show to the people. At that time we started to learn and know with a special project, the company Iggesund. It's the packaging that sells. You have to have it in your hand. You want to give yourself a present, and that's what we believe. It's more and more an issue.
The only thing is that we are setting the boundaries ourselves on the technical point of view. It's a big gap between creative people and technical people. We try to fill this gap and through the education, of course. I've been behind machines and I even sold machines in my previous job, and you really have to have an understanding on how these things work, but also how these people think. And if you have an understanding of that, you can really easily make the connection in the design process, because you know what's going to happen in the end, how people are going to look at it, what the machines can physically do or not do is all about. So really taking a technical point of view on a design process, because you have to, because it will be produced, it's a given. So you have to think about that in the beginning.
That's what we think that you have to do as a designer. So we took the product, in this case a bottle of balls. We asked the designer to get into a room, put this on the table, and asked that designer to make a mood board of it. So in this case it was a she made this as a mood board. Then we put stuff of the product on the table, like a glass in this case, and a barrel, the box, and draw boundaries around it. And that were the normally boundaries that we use to make a product, and then started to create in all creativity pieces of art until the art was there what we used. And if you see the boundaries, now they went over the boundaries because we have total freedom of creativity.
From every step we did, there were different designers involved. So first of all, somebody who doesn't know anything about the brand, creating the first mood board, you got some other designers being creative with boundaries, then you got other designers again being creative within these boundaries, so really involving everybody to come to an end result.
All the technical stuff that's in it is decided afterwards, because we made printing sheets, put some cards on printing sheets and search for the different kind of technical solutions like gravure, offset, screen printing, special effects put into the design that's already made.
So that's the base of what's in the black box. Okay, well, my name is Rob van Heertum, same name as Frans. He started the company.
I'm Frans van Heertum, working at Van Heertum Design.